I feel gross and stubby because I am gross and stubby, and there's nothing I can do about that right now. So let's go. Oh gosh, okay. I didn't mean to start recording. You're a little crooked, I'm sorry. But good morning, everyone. It is Friday the 2nd, and I'm still alive. I'm sorry to disappoint the 1% of you that missed my makeup videos because today's gonna be a little different. If you couldn't tell by the title. Oh my god, there's a rainbow! Can you see it? If you couldn't tell by the title, I am gonna take you guys on my journey to go meal prep shopping today. I have a gift card to Safeway and set a motivation to meal prep, so you're crooked again. I'm gonna go. But this morning, with the help of my handy dandy internet and this meal prepping book that I haven't touched since I bought it how long ago, I picked some easy, familiar recipes for breakfast, lunch / dinner, and a few snacks in between. Also, let me just bring attention to it now since it's right in the angle of the camera. I broke both my index fingernails. Oh, that's out there. I can relax. I'm not gonna count calories. I hate counting calories. It stresses me the fuck out, dude. Like, I tried doing it once and I spent so much time putting in the calories that I didn't even enjoy my food anymore. I hated it, so I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna try my best to just eat what makes me feel good, because that's what you should be doing, eating food that makes you feel good. So to celebrate this humongous life change, what better breakfast than some atole de arroz, which tastes like arroz con leche, except warm and a little creamier. Oh my god, it's so good. And a donut, because I love eating healthy.
I woke up, threw some sweatpants on, and I fed my cat, and then I walked to the mini mart. And I really want a donut, shouldn't get a donut, buy the donut, fuck it man, it's really hard. Supposed to be on a diet, I wanna be like Ryan. He lost 30 pounds on that paleo, but fuck it man, I love fried shit. I was gonna get skinny for the summer, I was gonna start doing my crunches. But looking down in my stomach, I'ma go to the beach, but I'm not taking my shirt off in public. My girl's shaped like a bottle of Coke. Me, I'm shaped like a bottle.
Alright guys, this is basically everything I'm gonna be eating, cooking this week. For breakfast, I'm planning on a little yogurt parfait. This is the first time I try this yogurt. I've never tried a non-dairy yogurt before, but I've tried So Delicious dairy-free ice cream. So we'll see how it goes. This is just the unsweetened vanilla just because I wanted a plain flavor. I got some pumpkin seeds because I love pumpkin seeds as toppings, so I'm going to be using this. I have these Trader Joe's Ancient Grain granola for the yogurt, as well as this antioxidant blend of frozen berries from Target, which I already had these two. I just needed the yogurt and this was optional. I'm not only going to have that, I also have some stuff for some egg muffins. This is the first time I'm also trying the Daiya medium cheddar style dairy-free cheese because I wanted something melty in my egg. So hopefully this melts. If it doesn't melt, then it was pointless and a waste of money. But this was at Safeway. I got mild Italian chicken sausage. It had a good amount of protein. I remember 13 grams, not bad. So that's pretty good. I got some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. I'm going to use this for this as well as my dinner. I got some coconut oil because this was like a paleo friendly cooking oil, so I just got this. Next, I have some snacks. I kind of just dropped these so hard on the counter. My heart hurts. I'm not scared of bruising though. I'm cool with some bruising on my bananas. But I actually got this for more of a post-workout snack because it's high in protein, sort of, I think. But just a banana and some almond butter. I'm just going to be packing a bit of that, having it in my car. So when I usually try to go to the gym after work. So after work, I'll have that. And that'll be a nice protein pick-me-up. Then I also have some carrots, which I plan to cut up, as well as whatever's left of the bell peppers. I have more in the fridge. And I'm going to have that with hummus. This is a pretty healthy-ish snack. And I love hummus. I love veggies, so it's just another way to get some veggies in me, as well as grapes, just plain old grapes. So for dinner, I'm going for a chicken fajita, I guess wrap is what the recipe had, and I was like, I don't really care, sure. more lettuce. Have some skinless, boneless chicken breast. I got the cheapest one I could find. I have some onion, bell pepper again, lettuce, because the recipe that I read was wraps. And instead of a rice, I'm going to do a cauliflower rice. I'm going to try that. I have some lemon and, what is this? Oh, I already forgot. The herb. Cilantro. There you go. This is just gonna spice this up a bit. And then I just have this little thing of canned black beans. So right now I'm gonna go in and prepare the chipotle sauce because I want to marinate the chicken before I get everything done. I'm gonna start cooking everything. And yeah, you guys see in a bit. It's Thursday. It's the 4th day that I meal prep. I just got out of the gym. After trying my my protein shake plain with just some water, I decided that it's disgusting. So for the second time around, I actually blended it with some stuff, and let me tell you, this is so much better. I also realized with the 2 egg muffins and 2 cups of coffee, which I usually drink in the morning, I was fine. I lasted till lunch, so I didn't even eat the yogurt the same day. So instead I saved the yogurt for the next day. So I realized I can just do 1 and 1. I don't have to do both in one day. I can last with just 1. So I did that. The lunches, I mean, they're okay. They don't leave me bloated or feeling heavy like my usual lunches do, but they're just not that satisfying. I think when I do this again, I'm gonna have to pick something that's a little more filling. So definitely more protein. I did not put enough chicken in here. So I'm gonna drive probably to my sister's house to pick some stuff up, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna finish this protein shake. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any advice, if anyone that actually knows proper meal prep and nutrition and shit is watching, please give me whatever advice you can think of. If you want to see more of this, please let me know. If you don't want to see more of this, lie to me and tell me that you do. Also, if you've tried meal prepping before for one reason or another, please let me know how it went for you. Like, did you do it to lose weight? Did you do it to better manage your money? Did you do it to force yourself to eat healthier foods? Let me know however much you want to share. I would love to read your stories. And that's it for today. Bye, guys.
You know I feel good about this plate. You know I feel good about this steak. You know I feel good about this shake. You know I feel good about these flakes. You know I feel good about these crepes. You know I feel good about this cake. You know I just love how it tastes. I'm not gonna wait, not tripping by my weight, no.